Ever wondered how to achieve a radiant everyday look? Well, wonder no more. We're kicking things off with a fabulous makeup tutorial for that fresh, everyday glow. A look that's effortlessly chic and perfect for any occasion, from a casual coffee date to an important business meeting. First things first, start with a clean, moisturized canvas. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty and letting your skin shine through. For a flawless finish, choose a light to medium coverage foundation that matches your skin tone. Remember, the goal is to even out the skin tone, not to mask it. Next, let's talk about the eyes. Opt for neutral earthy tones that complement your eye color. A dash of shimmer on the lid can add a touch of sparkle without being too overbearing. Then, with a thin brush, apply a darker shade along the lash line for a subtle, natural definition. Finish off with a coat or two of your favorite mascara to open up the eyes. Now, on to the cheeks. A soft rosy blush gives a healthy glow and adds life to the face. Apply it on the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards towards the hairline for a natural flush. For the lips, choose a shade that's 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural lip color. This will give a polished finish without looking too dramatic. If you prefer a bit of shine, top it off with a clear or lightly tinted lip gloss. And there we have it. A radiant everyday makeup look that enhances your natural beauty and makes you feel confident and empowered. Remember, the key to a flawless finish is to blend, blend, blend. It's not about the quantity of makeup you apply, but how well you apply it. With this everyday makeup look, you're ready to take on the world with confidence and style. Remember, beauty starts from within, so let your inner beauty shine through and the rest will follow. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining. Before we jump into the color wheel, let's talk about the canvas, your skin. It's the foundation for any makeup look, and taking care of it can make a world of difference. So let's unravel the secret to a healthy glow, shall we? The key lies in a well-rounded skincare routine tailored to your specific skin type. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, the right products and regimen can help you achieve that radiant complexion. Now let's start with the basics. Cleansing. Think of it as a reset button for your skin. It removes dirt, oil, and impurities, giving you a clean slate. Look for a gentle cleanser that will do the job without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Next, we move on to toning. A toner balances your skin's pH levels and preps it for the next steps of your skincare routine. It's like a primer for your skincare products, helping them penetrate deeper into your skin. Then, we hydrate. Moisturizing is a non-negotiable step, regardless of your skin type. A good moisturizer will lock in hydration, keeping your skin plump and glowing. And remember, even if you have oily skin, don't skip this step. Your skin might be producing more oil because it's dehydrated. Lastly, don't forget your sunscreen during the day. It's the best anti-aging product you can use. It shields your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and skin damage. At night, consider adding a serum or treatment product to target specific skin concerns. Whether it's hyperpigmentation, acne, or fine lines, there's a product out there that can help. But remember, consistency is key. Like any good habit, it takes time to see results. So stick with your routine and soon you'll see your skin transform. And that, my friends, is the secret to a healthy glow. It's not about covering up, but enhancing what you naturally have. Because when your skin feels good, you feel good. And when you feel good, that confidence shines through. Remember, a good skincare routine is the foundation of any stunning makeup look. So take care of your canvas and let your natural beauty shine. Now that your canvas is prepped, let's paint a picture with fashion. Fashion is more than just clothes on a body. It's a form of self-expression, a way to communicate without words. It's constantly evolving, and keeping up with the latest trends can sometimes feel like a full-time job. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. This season, it's all about comfort and style. Think soft knitwear, relaxed silhouettes, and cozy layers. But don't let the casual vibe fool you. These pieces are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. Try pairing an oversized knit sweater with a structured skirt for a balance of comfort and chic. Moving on to something a little more daring. Animal prints are making a big comeback. From leopard to zebra, these patterns are a surefire way to make a statement. Remember, the key to pulling off this trend is balance. If you're wearing a bold print, keep the rest of your outfit simple. And for those special occasions, metallics are the way to go. Whether it's a sparkly dress or a shimmering top, these pieces are guaranteed to make you shine. Pair them with neutral accessories to let your outfit do the talking. Now let's talk accessories. This season is all about chunky boots, oversized bags, and statement jewelry. These pieces can instantly elevate any outfit, transforming your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and combinations. After all, fashion is all about having fun and expressing your unique personality. Finally, remember that trends are just guidelines. What's most important is that you feel comfortable and confident in what you're wearing. So, don't be afraid to break the rules and create your own style. Mix and match pieces, play with colors and textures, and most importantly, have fun with it. Fashion is all about expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to mix and match and create a style that's uniquely you. As the sun sets, it's time to dial up the drama with a bold evening makeup look. To make a seamless transition from day to night, let's focus on 3 main areas: eyes, lips, and cheeks. First up, the eyes. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, so let's ensure they make a statement. Start by sweeping a deep, dark eyeshadow across your lids, blending it into the crease for a sultry, smoky effect. Don't shy away from adding a little sparkle with a glittery eyeshadow. The contrast between the dark and light shades will make your eyes pop. Next, the lips. Bold lips are a must for evening makeup. Whether you're a fan of classic red, a daring black, or a vibrant purple, a well-defined bold lip can amp up your look like nothing else. Remember to exfoliate and moisturize your lips before applying your lipstick for a smooth, flawless finish. Now, let's talk about the cheeks. To add a touch of glamour, consider a hint of shimmer on the highest points of your cheekbones. This will catch the light beautifully and give you a radiant glow. And don't forget to add depth with a contouring product, blending it into your cheekbones for a sculpted look. But the most important tip to remember is that your confidence is the key to rocking any look. Embrace the power of makeup to express yourself, to enhance your natural beauty, and to feel utterly fabulous. So, go ahead, experiment with colors, textures, and techniques that resonate with your unique style. After all, makeup is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. With this bold evening look, you're sure to be the star of any event. Remember, your confidence is the best accessory. Beauty emergencies can happen, but don't panic, I've got your back with these DIY beauty hacks. We're all human and mishaps are just a part of life, but it's how we handle them that truly counts. Let's start with a common makeup mishap: smeared mascara. It's happened to the best of us, but it's a quick fix. Just wait for the mascara to dry, then use a clean cotton swab to gently lift it off. No need to redo your whole eye makeup. Now, onto a classic wardrobe malfunction: a stuck zipper. To unstick a zipper, try rubbing a graphite pencil on the teeth of the zipper. The graphite acts as a lubricant, helping the zipper slide smoothly. Ever find yourself needing a quick lip color change? Don't sweat it. You can transform your daytime nude lip into a bold evening look with just a dab of eyeshadow. Apply your eyeshadow to the center of your lips over your nude lipstick, blend it out, and voila! A whole new lip look. And who hasn't had a last-minute breakout? A quick fix for this is using a dab of honey on the spot. Honey has natural antibacterial properties that can help calm the inflammation. Just remember to rinse it off after about 20 minutes. Moving on, let's talk about beauty hacks using household items for unexpected situations. If you've run out of dry shampoo, cornstarch can be a great alternative. Just sprinkle a little onto your roots and brush it out. It absorbs excess oil, leaving your hair looking fresh and voluminous. Even a simple ice cube can be utilized as a beauty hack. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and gently press onto your face. This can help reduce puffiness, tighten your pores, and refresh your skin. With these DIY beauty hacks, you're ready for any beauty emergency. And remember, beauty is not about achieving perfection. It's about embracing and enhancing your natural features. So, let's keep the spirit of beauty alive by celebrating our uniqueness and turning these quick fixes into opportunities for self-expression.